Good morning! This is finally happening. After working so hard on this project, Bonnie and I have been able to successfully put together Opera PMS. Allow me to explain to you all about this. See, Bliss Hospitality partnered with the largest computer technology corporation in the world called Oracle. They are also the creators of Opera PMS. Opera PMS is the most used property management system in hotels worldwide. Imagine this, you learning how to make reservations, checking in guests, seeing exactly what it looks like as an employee. This is extremely important to learn and be able to practice. Therefore, we created the one and only virtual hotel, Bliss Hotel Vancouver. You will learn all the necessary skills and the practice that you need. It is important to know learning this skill will increase the chances of you getting a job significantly. When you complete this 8-hour workshop, you will receive a certificate, so please update your resume once done. So, for anyone interested, please click the link below to register or just reach out to me. I will gladly assist. Let's rock and roll.